The best one-of-a-kind item that I have ever had has gotta be the mac and cheese chicken cone at Chicken Cone in New York City. Same waffle cone that you put the ice cream in, take out the ice cream, put in some fried chicken and macaroni and cheese, and you got the chicken cone. So good.
The mac and cheese chicken cone starts with our famous fried chicken. We bread that chicken in flour and then do a buttermilk dredge and then a dredge in panko breadcrumbs. We use a corn oil and we cook it for about 4 minutes. Make sure it's nice and crispy on the outside, but still super juicy and succulent on the inside.
I mean, what?
The next step of the process is we want to make a nice, hot, delicious waffle cone. We swirl some sriracha in the batter. So when it cooks, it has a little extra kick.
So you gonna put the hot sauce in the cone?
Oh, yeah.
This is next level. It's mind-blowing.
Next, we got to make our mac and cheese. The secret to amazing mac and cheese, cream cheese. Dribble some cream in there. Nice big handful of cheddar cheese. We're gonna stir that up, and that's all gonna melt together.
I mean, you get a nice good cheese pull. They fold in those fried chicken chunks. Take that waffle cone and fill it. And then to top it all off, I can splash it with a little hot sauce. Oh, my, my, my. It's just the perfect combination of creamy, cheesy mac and cheese, crispy, tender fried chicken, sweet, crunchy, spicy. I mean, it has every flavor element that you need.